Welcome to the most expensive ground vehicle unboxing on our channel ever to date. This is going to be an interesting video. I think a lot of you probably can, by process of elimination, figure out what's in this box.
Name on there.
And just by the size alone and the price point, it's probably a no-brainer and an easy thing to figure out. Now, we still wanted to document this. We've had this at our house for a couple days now, and we decided that we want our full true reaction on camera. Before we cut into this box, I have to say a massive, giant, biggest thank you ever to our Patreon supporters, because if it wasn't for our Patreon supporters, there's no way we could have or would have ever bought this. This was purchased, not given to us, by our Patreon supporters. Thank you.
So let's start opening the box.
Yes.
I wanted to buy this 2 years ago. It was on my Christmas list. And then we never bought it. And if you guys follow the channel, you'll know why we never bought it, but I'm not gonna get into it. But here it is on the channel for a few reasons, but the main reason, I can't even tell you. But you will know why soon.
You will know soon.
But I'm still super excited. This is, as of right now, the behemoth of all RC ground vehicles.
You say.
Let's get it out of the box. What?
You said as of right now.
So?
So, I'm just saying. The reason we bought this is for educational purposes. I think you should just pick up that box.
Okay.
It's very heavy. Abby has not picked this up
I
yet.
have not picked it up. I think I'm going to stand on the table.
Oh my gosh. Just lift
Don't
that.
let it get my toes.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. That's a good table. Now listen up, you guys. If you want to help support our channel, we need it after this, okay? This hit hard.
Can you see what it is yet?
Yeah, I think I can. I can. This hit so hard.
Woo! It's hit so hard that we still haven't even bought the batteries for it.
Yeah. Here we go. So,
I hope it's the right color that I bought.
I also want to say welcome to massive, giant monster truck week on the RC Sailors. Okay? This is kicking that off. It's very, I can't even. It is very important that we start the week with this. We have to set the tone. This is an insane week for our channel. Just mind-blowingly insane for all you ground vehicle lovers. Now, those of you watching and you're looking at this and you're thinking there's no way I could ever afford it, I've been there. For 7 years I've been there. And don't worry, just a couple weeks ago, or well, about a month ago probably, we did a budget truck week, an entire week dedicated to vehicles under $100 each, and we had an awesome time doing that.
This has been opened.
Yeah, so you're right. The box, this is like,
They've retaped it.
we bought this as a brand new
Look,
vehicle.
this tape right here is cut.
Directly
And then
from
Traxxas,
Traxxas.
and then Traxxas put another sticker on top of it.
We bought this as new, not a refurb, so that is horrible.
The box looks really beat up too.
Yeah.
Not being hard on it, just surprised that there was literally tape cut on the side. So maybe they knew it was coming to us and they wanted to make sure it was going to work. I don't know.
I think we have to talk about this. This being, I can't believe
the tape is split,
Yeah,
except that
they have
Traxxas sticker.
sticker.
Yeah.
Putting that
So
back.
it's
I can't
there's
believe
more
that.
stickers on the side.
Holy crap.
The side is cut, everything is cut.
Wow.
So it's not like UPS got this, opened the box, and then taped it
Retaped
back. No,
it.
it's a Traxxas sticker that's retaped.
I can't believe that. We literally paid like $1,000 for this, and that's without batteries.
They knew it was coming to us.
And
It's upside down.
It has been opened. I cannot believe that.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I'm still. A lot of you guys that love Traxxas are gonna comment below. You guys hate Traxxas, you're so biased, blah, blah, blah. Like, I am legit excited.
Oh my
gosh. I'm looking at this right now, and I cannot wait to show you guys, even though I'm sure you've already seen it.
So the vehicles that they put out are known to be pretty good vehicles. Obviously they're overpriced, okay? It's like buying a Nike shoe. You know, if you want to wear the Nike swoosh, go for it. If you want to have Traxxas on the side of your truck, you're going to pay for it.
What color do you think? I mean, this is, I picked the color out. So.
And I bet if they didn't get the right color, I'll be angry because
it's the right color.
Price point, and then not even with the batteries too. But
maybe
you know,
that's why they had to cut it open. Maybe
to make sure the color was right.
I don't know.
No, they have markings on the box.
What color do you think I got?
This is
Traxxas X-Maxx.
Abby picked this out. Yeah. There we go.
You still can't see. Hawaiian.
crazy.
Bigger than our table.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I hate
big.
that I'm this excited, but I'm so excited.
Take a deep breath for a second because I have to say this. It's extremely important for us as a review channel, as an information channel, and just like for fun factor to show you this. Our experience with their vehicles has been fairly positive. They put out decent vehicles. Traxxas as a company sucks really bad. They're horrible. They're mean to people.
But they make good products.
They make good products. But they attack when they shouldn't. And
they have a very good loyal team, let's just say that. Anyways, moving on.
Yeah, I just wanted to be...
Help me.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's bigger than I thought it was. Like, I've only...
Yeah.
Have I seen this
We've never...
in real life?
Okay, now listen. We've seen this at the hobby shop in a box.
But never in real life.
We have never
I've never seen this in real life.
an X-Maxx of any kind. Maybe at a big event from a distance.
I don't think I've ever seen it.
But we've never driven one. And we've never seen one perform in person.
And guys, we know this has been out for a long, long, long time. We know they have the new Max, but I wanted the X-Maxx.
Yeah.
So I
Biggest truck
thought,
ever.
I'm not going to buy the small version of the X-Maxx. I want the X-Maxx. Huge 8S
Oh my
power
gosh.
monster truck. All right, how does his body come off?
Let's see. This is all new. Here's a look at the switch on the back. It rotates. This panel comes up, and then that
Holy
lifts.
moly.
And there it goes. That's new. There's no body clips. Look at the wheelie bar. Why is the wheelie bar so low on that? Look at that. Look how low. It's like 2 inches off the ground.
Because the front is so heavy, that's all it can do. It's
that
as
crazy?
high as the wheelie can go.
I find that really interesting.
Why are there zip ties on this?
Yeah, I don't know.
What?
Oh, no, I know why. Here, I'll be right back.
I don't even know if this is going to fit on our shelf. It barely fits on the table.
I will say, you picked out a
like the
really
color?
good... I do like it, yeah. The Hawaiian is cool. All right, you ready for this? This is watch what happens when I cut this.
You don't see a lot of X-Maxes in this color. Now, I actually wanted like the orange one,
It's out of stock.
but it was out of stock, so I went with the green one.
We bought this
Or
directly from...
The green one was out of stock too, but I didn't want the green one.
You ready? Watch this.
Went with the Hawaiian.
Watch what happens when I cut this. You ready?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, it's holding the shocks down.
That's why
so
it
now
really
it got
goes.
even bigger.
Yeah.
It grew, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
There. Now it's alive. It is a bigger truck than I anticipated.
I tried to find a coupon code for this, and we even called customer service and told them it was us,
I called
obviously.
Traxxas.
And they were like,
knew.
nope.
The guy on the phone knew.
We didn't say it was us.
'Cause
Holy
even
cow.
the shocks
Holy cow.
are massive.
So is this considered 5th scale? 8th scale? What scale technically is this? Because they don't put it on the box, and they don't put it on the site. 5th scale?
Yeah.
8S, supposed to go 50 miles an hour.
That's fast for a giant truck.
Guys, tell us what you want to see us do with this in the comments
Yeah.
below.
So you're looking at a channel right now that'll bring whatever content you guys want to see with. I mean, X-Maxx has been just beaten into the ground. Okay.
The only thing I'm surprised about is how expensive this is for how much plastic.
Tons of plastic. Yeah, it's
No
all
wonder
plastic.
we see bodies snapped in half of this.
And that's a little disappointing, you know, for $1,000.
Can you guys even tell how giant this is?
I don't know if it really
Oh my gosh, this is so heavy.
does justice.
I wonder how much this weighs. Don't hit me with this if
Oh.
you're driving it.
Well, you break a leg. Yeah.
Holy cow.
Everyone wants to know too, is this yours or mine?
This is mine,
Okay.
at least for right now.
No, that's yours.
We'll see.
That's yours.
We'll talk about it at the end of the week.
We wanted to have another notch on the belt, another little experience mark check. Okay, it's just really important for us right now that we have this.
I am so excited. I wanted this so bad before. I stepped away from it for obvious reasons you guys know about. And now here it is on our channel, thanks to our patrons. I'm sorry, patrons, if you don't agree with the decision to buy this, but I think you'll understand why
We'll understand
soon. And I'm so excited to tell you why. Anyways, holy cow, most expensive RC ground vehicle ever on our channel.
Look at that.
The Traxxas X-Maxx. I'm gonna go bench press this, and the next time you see me, I'll be like, kapow! This weighs at least 30 pounds, right? wouldn't you say?
Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavier than Amelia. I feel like it's 2 Amelias. What do you think, Nathan?
That would be 40 pounds.
2
It's
Amelias?
heavy. It is 30 plus volts. I know that.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
a lot of voltage. So as soon as we hit end on this video, as soon as that timer's over, we're going to hit buy on 2 batteries for this, which sucks because they're very expensive. I think we're going to look at like some conversion things.
Yeah, we're not buying Traxxas batteries.
No, never. Any of you
Don't
watching,
buy Traxxas
don't buy Traxxas batteries. That's stupid.
Just get converters.
Yeah, which they actually support now, so thank goodness for that.
After they sued somebody for it.
Yeah.
We've always been very happy with all our Traxxas trucks. Even before June of 2018 happened, we had Traxxas trucks and we were always very, very happy with them. And now the X-Maxx is here!
I'm impressed.
So excited.
I'm impressed. I mean, I just need to put some power in it and watch it run now, right? We're not, this is, as we have said, this is kind of a drill vehicle into the ground, so we don't need to go over all the tech specs.
No.
That's not what we're about. We just want to run it.
And this is the newest version of it. Like, when you go look at Traxxas' website and it says X-Maxx, it says new. So I don't even know what has been changed, so maybe some of you guys can educate everybody in the comments below. But this is the newest version of the X-Maxx. I think they've upgraded a few things.
Tell us, this is a two-way street here. Tell us in the comments what your favorite things about the X-Maxx are, things we should look out for, what's going to probably break first, you know?
And what you want to see us do with this.
Yeah.
What do you want to do with this first? Just bash?
Yeah.
Speed test. Speed test.
I gotta feel that throttle.
We're going to the mall to do a speed test.
Yeah.
See you all there tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!